We're going to have a great time tonight. We're going to speak on a few things, important things. And you know it's going to be PPP loan forgiveness, EIDL, as well as credit restoration, which is a very important part of your life. So we all have to think about this, and we're going to move forward on this. So you guys are seeing just a little bit of my new facility. I do have a new office now, so you guys will get to see my new office. But until it's complete and like I want it to be, then as of now, we're gonna just see just a tad bit of it, not a whole lot. But we are definitely live, Facebook Live. My people, come on in because we got a lot of things to speak about today. I do have my administrative assistant that's on, administrative coordinator, forgive me, and then the my online coordinator as well. They're both on, just making sure I do everything right tonight. So shout out to Danielle Grievous and Ajay Jackson. Thank you guys so much. So since we have a few people on, just hit me up in the inbox. Let me know you're here. Comment, please. Let me know that you guys are in on everything. All right. It's a great thing to do. I can't see my comments page. So let's see. Okay. We're gonna figure it out in a minute. So if you're in, holler at me. Let me know. Did I move myself around a little bit? I don't want to end it, but yeah, comments. So, all right. So EIDL, PPP loan. So we're checking in with that. First, we're going to talk about, again, my name is Elizabeth Yancey. Tonight is Boss Thoughts, where like-minded people prosper. And within like-minded people prospering, we have to come together as one. So tonight we're going to talk about the PPP loan and the EIDL loan, as well as credit restoration, which is the major source. So PPP loan, let's start with that first. First and foremost, just read that the PPP loan will be starting back up August the 4th, but it's a direct forgiveness program. So there is a lot of money that is still there, out there. We got to see what they're actually going to do and say. You know, legislators and legislation, have to write up on all of these laws and all this other stuff before they start submitting money out. However, it is in the play that the PPP loan may come back. So if so, great. If not, then we have to continue on to live life, right? Yes. So one thing about the PPP loan forgiveness program. PPP loan forgiveness program is actually wherever you got your loan, wherever you got your loan, you need to go. They should send you an email. They should send you an email, or you should call them. Place you got your loan. You need to call them, or they supposed to send you an email. You have 8 to 24 weeks that you can start your PPP loan forgiveness. Now, they do have these forms. They have the 3508S form, and then they have the 3508EZ form. Now, the 3508S form is for the people that got less than 150K on the PPP loan, okay? If you got 150K, less than 150K, okay, then you need to fill out the 3508S form. If you got more, if you got 150 above, then you need to fill out the 3508EZ form. Now, there is a portal on the SBA website where you can go and file for your forgiveness as well. They are forgiving the loans. Yes, they have deferred a few, but they are forgiving the loans at this point in time. So you can go on there and you can get your loans deferred. Okay, not deferred, but forgiven. Okay. All right. So now documentation for the PPP forgiveness. Now, with these forms, they're not asking for any documentation. You fill out all the form, you fill out all the information, you fill in all the lines and fill in all the blanks. And within that, what happens is they will let you know if they need any additional information. You don't have to submit anything unless they ask for it. And always remember that. You don't have to do anything. Don't go volunteering your birth certificates and your social security number and your mama's birth certificate and everybody that you signed up for the PPP. Just make sure that you don't give any extra information unless they ask for it. If they ask for it, then you send out the information that they ask for, okay? If you need assistance on that, there is assistance available here at Home Solution Services Credit Builders. Now, there will be a fee for these assistance. So just letting you know up front, there will be a fee. But however, it is available here. If you want to do it yourself, fine, no worries. So just letting you know. All right. So, and that goes with both forms. So both forms, well, you really don't have to have any documentation right away, unless they ask for it. Okay. I'll say on the EIDL, the EIDL is still available for those small businesses and companies, and an increase is still available for those companies as well. However, you have to have filed your 2019 tax returns. If you file those and you have a Schedule C for that, if you have information for that, then you are eligible if you had a business before January 2020. If you had a business before January 2020, or even operating in that form of business before 2020, you are eligible for the EIDL for sole proprietor, LLC, or S Corp, C Corp, whichever one you are in at this point. You are eligible for that. Now, if you started your business in 2020 and you started your business later on in the game, after January, after March, then you are not eligible. Okay? So don't ask the question if you're eligible. Now you might have got a piece of the pie and you got your business started. Great. That's wonderful. However, you just have to have the right documentation for everything whenever you sending stuff in. Okay? Yes. All right. I'm glad we got that under control. But now the EIDL will not be complete until December 31st, 2021. That program will be eliminated. Now, it may do like the PPP program, it may be extended because a lot of people are still trying to get in, and it may be extended. So if it's not extended, it is cut off on December 31st, 2021. Did everybody get that? December 31st, 2021. So that's the last day of the year before New Year's. All right, great, thanks. All right, so since I've expressed myself with those things here, we're going to talk about credit restoration. Okay, so I was speaking earlier with Danielle, and we were talking about different things to talk about here on the live as far as credit restoration. And as I expressed to her, credit is the glue to everything at this point. Credit is the glue to everything. If you want to buy a car, what you need? Good credit. If you want to buy a house, what you need? Good credit. If you want to get a loan, what you need? Good credit. Okay? So everything that you do here in this United States of America, you're going to need good credit, or at least decent credit. Because if not, you're going to get in cahoots with the loan sharks, and then at that point your interest rate is triple because your credit score is not where it needs to be. So at this point, we are doing credit restorations. We're going to be running a special soon. So I think let me look at Danielle real quick. What did we say, Danielle, for the credit, what was that special? What was our credit special? We was going to do 30 days working for you for 30 days for a certain amount of money. How much was that? That was $250? What? I said $250? Oh, wow. Okay. Danielle got it written down. So we've discussed it. So we're going to do a special, which is called our back to school special for the month of August to always to September the 1st. Now today is what, the 2nd? So from the 2nd, August 2nd to September the 1st, we will be doing credit restoration. We will work for you for the whole month of August for $250. So if yours $250 run into September, so we'll be working for you for August and September. It depends on where you fall in the month. 30 days is the max. 30 days is the max. So basically that is considered a credit sweep. $250, we do a credit sweep. Everybody asks, what's a credit sweep? So let me explain. A credit sweep is actually where we go in and we put everything together as if we're getting ready to clean your credit, and we send it out, and the credit bureaus just sweep your credit and delete what needs to be deleted. Now, if everything don't delete, that's what a sweep is all about. Everything may not be deleted, but however, everything may be deleted. So we're going to do it and put in our effort as if you were a full paying client at this point. So that's where we are. All right. I'm going to take a drink. So, excuse me. So we're going to do that for $250 for the month of August. So if you and your friends or whoever want to be a part of that $250 for the month of August, just give us a call here at the office, 678-379-9008, and I will definitely put that. See, I'm on this new thing here, so I don't know how to do everything at this point. Is that something wrong with that? Yes, I think it is something wrong with that. However, let's see here. So I don't know what I'm doing right now. Danielle and and Aji, they're gonna have to help me, cause yeah. And I think Danielle will post in there, or Aja will post in there the phone number. The phone number, 678-379-9008. So I'm glad you guys are on tonight. I got to get used to this large screen here. I can't see myself close. You put the number in there for me in the comments, the 250 as well as the phone number for me. Okay. All right, appreciate it. So at this point, credit restoration will be that. Now, we have run into some changes in this credit restoration field. Everybody and their mom is trying to do credit restoration. Now, you're going to have some people, excuse me, my lips are just dry for some reason. You're going to have some people coming on and telling you that they can get rid of stuff in a week, 2 weeks. Whatever they tell you, that's on them. Now you come to me, I'm going to be realistic with you, and everything in the credit world rotates on a 30-day base. So I don't know what they told you, but I know that that's what happens, a 30-day base. And so I'm going to make sure you guys will be on the right track. I am touchable. You can come to my office. I am off of Phoenix Boulevard right now. I am in the 100 building 100. So right off of Phoenix Boulevard, 1800 Phoenix Boulevard, building 100. I will be in that building, suite 128-27. So if you're looking back at this video, you will know exactly where I am. So, but with credit, a lot of things that we need to talk about with credit. Credit is so important to all of us. We'll show you how to build your credit, how to rebuild your credit from having nothing at all to a real healthy credit profile. Now, I've been working on a lot of people's credit. You guys, it just got to be patient. It's just one of those processes now. With the pandemic, everything has been going at a slow pace, but everybody wants everything in a microwave process. It's not going to work like that. So if you want your credit to be done, I try to give it 60 to 90 days. However, it's been a little bit farther than that with some people. I'm sorry, but the way the process has been going, some people get, they found people that do a little bit better. That's fine. And you have that right